Hi everyone, welcome to System Test 11 of the Simplex 4008 Fire Alarm Control Panel. I have a few changes that I've made to this board that it's mounted on that I'm going to show off real quick. So starting down at the pull stations, you'll see we have both of the pull stations are in slightly different locations now. And you can see that the modules for them are in that box right there. On the left, we got this FCI MS2 dual action. And on the right, we have this Simplex 4250-120. Carbon monoxide sensor like usual. Now up here, I've added this. What this is it's a Simplex control module. And when this carbon monoxide detector goes off, it'll trip this module and it will turn on this strobe. It makes like an extra knack for it. So then I don't have to use a relay in the panel. Moving up to the notification appliances, on the left right there we have an FCI HES STW horn strobe, but only the strobe is connected right now. And on the right there's a Simplex 2901-9838 horn on a Simplex 4903-9101 strobe plate. All these smoke detectors are the same. They're the Simplex addressable ones. I don't remember the exact model numbers, but they're right there. And now, let's get started. Signal coding is march time. Let's spray one of these detectors since we never do that. Should be enough. Oh wow, they all went off at once it seems. All four of them are activated. Pretty cool. Both of the strobes are doing audible silence like usual. Let's pull the 4250-120. And the door wants to keep closing. So we pulled that, and we'll pull this. Alright. So now we've set everything off, so we're going to go ahead and reset the pull stations. Starting with this one. Just open it up, flip that switch back down, and close it up like that. Now for the 4250-120, it's really easy. Just stick the key in, open it, and close it again. Now the pull stations are reset, and we're ready to reset the system. Hopefully all those detectors are bared out, but we'll see. And the system is reset. And now for the last thing we'll do today, we'll go ahead and set off the carbon monoxide detector. And that control module went off, and it's flashing that strobe right there. We have a supervisory in the system. It says CO detector on the screen. Go ahead and acknowledge that, and reset. Alright, so that's going to conclude this system test. I hope you enjoyed watching, and have a great day.